Okay, guys, let's continue solving our task. So today we will solve restore IP addresses. So what do we have? We have a valid IP addresses consist of exactly 4 integer represent a single dots. Each integer is between 0 and 255 and cannot have leading zeros. For example, we have this one and this one are valid IP addresses, but this one are invalid IP addresses. So we are given some string and it contains only digits. We have returned all possible valid IP addresses that can be formed by inserting dots into S. And you are not allowed to recover or remove any digits S. You may return the valid IP address in any order. Okay, so let's start. So I expect that my string is between, so if it's, so if between 4 and, the maximum, let it be 1000. So it already said that it's only digits. And yeah, so let's talk about solutions. So first solution would be backtrack. So for example, we have such string. What we can do? We can take first element and then we left with other one. We can take other one and then take next one and take next one. And what we can see that when we on the last element, it fourth element, and we still left with values, actually, it means we should return because it's invalid. Then we should take 2 elements from this string and make a call for other one. So what we should do is actually take maximum 3 elements until it would be valid valid integer. Yeah, maximum 3 because 4 we cannot take actually. And if we take 3, yeah, we should also check number of elements. So if it's 5, yeah, then we should return actually. Okay, so let's get started with this approach. So it's backtracking approach. So we have our result. Okay, and we have the fs call, and we return our result. So in this DFS call, we should send the string. Also, we should send a current index. We should send a current value that we are creating. Maximum is 255. So 0 we always would have, actually. And And I also current index. Yeah, I also probably want to have new array list of integer, and this would be my combination of elements that I should do. Okay, so let's implement the DFS. So I have my string s, then int I, it would be my index, number, list of integer vals, okay, if I equal if I is greater than s length, I should return but vals. Okay, so if I is equal to s length is greater than s length, if number is equal to 5 and I is less than s length, less or equal, less or equal, less than s length, then I should return. If a number is equal to 5, if number is less than 4, and I is less than s length, then I just return. No, here it's not correct. Yeah, but if I is greater or equal to s length, and number is less than 4, I should return. filter. So in this case, I didn't create 3 elements, but my I is already greater or equal to S length. In this case, I already created by my I is less. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. So what next? What next? Next would be the following. So if my I is equal, if my number equal to 5 and I is equal to S length, then I should I should have also my result. That I should charge my laptop. So wait a second. Okay, let's continue. All right, so number is equal to 5, and so in this case I should do the following. I should create my string. I should create a string, and I'm thinking if I get this string actually. Okay, let's first do the following. So I create my string, a result string, and I like iterate each element in my vowels, and I'm adding to my result. I could add like this, right? But in this case, I have this, dot at the end. So what can I do? I can just do something like this. if j not equal to vals size -1. So result S will be plus equal to vals get j result S plus dot and result at this result S. Okay, and yeah, so here I have this I that is 0, and I try to construct my first element. So first of all, it should be, I believe, from I to I less than S length. Let's say mass mean between S lengths -1 and I plus 3. I plus plus. Okay, and here I try to construct this I actually. I try to construct this I, and maybe even here I need this j, right? Yeah, so I need j that it will be equal to I, and then j is less than this one, or I plus 3, and j plus plus. Okay, so here I try to concatenate from I to j these elements. So, yeah. So how can I concatenate? I have my char array. Yeah, my char array. And here it should be lengths. So j minus I. If it's equal to 0, then it would be 1. Otherwise, j. Yeah, let be j minus 1 plus 1. It would be lengths. Then I should concatenate, so I should have another for loop that will create this string char array actually. So yeah, so I have my k that will be equal to j, and while k is less than length, no, is less than or equal to I. Okay, and also I have some p0 array p++ will be equal to s char at k plus plus. So, yeah, and here if yeah, what can I do? I can create new string out of this array, and it would be new string, and if this integer parse int new string is less or equal to 255, then I can do actually my DFS call. So it would be DFS with s with I. So what would be I here? So I think it should be j plus 1. Then number plus 1. And I think that I should create like new array list. Integer new vals. It should be created of this vals. And new vals. I should add this integer. Okay, and here it would be new vals and result. Okay, let's run it. Okay, line 17 lengths here as well. Here as well. Okay. J minus I lengths. Yeah, it should be not J minus I believe, but no, it shouldn't be J, yeah. J minus I plus 1 length 1. And K plus plus. Yeah, maybe it should be K and then K plus plus. Or it should be P, then P plus plus. j is equal to I is 1, I 0, k, then k is 1. Okay, I think that I missed this, so thank you very much. That's it.